Please make a joke. Once upon a time, there was an old woman who was worshipping Buddha hard. My grandmother visits the temple every day. Namamidabutsu, namamidabutsu. And I'm worshipping it. In the meantime, my grandmother got completely old, so I was only thinking about whether she would be picked up from paradise, Gakuraku heaven, early these days. Namamidabutsu, namamidabutsu. Buddha, I'm already old, and I can't help living any longer. Please come and pick me up as soon as possible. Well, the boy at the temple who was listening to it. You're saying that, but do you really want to die soon? Okay, let's try one. That's what I thought. So one day, the boy was hiding behind the Buddhist altar and waiting for his grandmother to come. Eventually, my grandmother came and worshipped me as usual. Namamidabutsu, namamidabutsu. Please hurry up and make me comfortable. Immediately, the boy said from the back of the Buddhist altar. Okay, if you say so, I'll pick you up tomorrow. Go to paradise as you want and take your time. Well, the old lady was surprised to hear that. No, no, no. I'm still alive. To come to pick you up. Please do it first. The old woman bowed her head over and over again to rub her forehead. If you don't want to die yet, why do you ask for such a thing? No, that's just a joke. I'll cancel your request earlier, so please let me live a long life. When the grandmother said that, she left the temple as if running away and sighed loudly. Oh dear, how good this Buddha is. With this, I can't even visit you. Then the grandmother never came to the temple again. The end.